Hello everyone, welcome back. So in today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get the candle chart on Trading 212 application. So first of all, you need to simply launch your app and then log in into your account if you haven't already. Now over here, you just have to simply from the home page choose any of the commodities or any of the stocks chart. So when you tap on it, you are going to see its chart something like this. So it is basically the line chart that you are going to see, and it is the default chart that you must be seeing. But no worry, we are going to change it to the candlesticks chart. So tap on this gear icon or the setting icon here in the bottom, and you will be shown the chart type over here, and the line chart is selected. So since you want to basically see it in the candlesticks chart, so you need to simply tap on the option of candles, and this way you will be able to basically change the candle chart on Trading 212. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.